out of food and you have to go for shopping, but your hair is in a mess, don't worry, I've got you covered. So how do we do this? Do you wear a hat or do you tie your hair? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Literally, I've got you covered. Don't worry. Hi guys, and welcome to Oh Alexi. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make the simple, easy, high puff to go shopping. Who says it's quarantine and so you can't at least look a little put together? In this video, you're going to need, for this hairstyle, you're going to need a thread. It can be wool, it can be yarn, it can be a simple sewing thread, but for the sewing thread it will be advisable to just tie it, to make it so many times to get a thicker band. Okay, so I'm using the Brazilian wool for this. And then you need to detangle your hair if it's not already detangled. We are going to need a wire to comb and a brush. So first, I'm going to divide my hair in sections, in just a smaller section, so that I can easily comb it through. Okay, so just a small section like this, and just comb. Guys, you remember in my previous video I spoke about how I moisturize my hair. If you haven't watched my previous video, you can check over here or at the end. Check it out on how I moisturize my hair. That way, during the week or in other times of the day where you are in a hurry or you do not have enough time, you can easily just comb through your hair and then style it. You don't even need styling gel for this hairstyle, for this easy, quick fix. Okay, so be sure to gently detangle your hair. And actually guys, if you have any questions on other styles that I do, you can write it in the comment question, in the comment section. If you have any other questions, you can just ask me in the comment section. So you make sure you gently detangle your hair. Even if you are in a hurry, try to detangle your hair as gently as you can. And then we are going to use our brush to just, we want the front part to lay, so we use this brush, or you can use any other brush that you have. but I use this brush to just, because we are not using styling gel. Okay, and then your thread. So we are going to put the thread behind our backs like this, and then bring it up, and then make a loose one round knot like this, and just put it over, and then wrap it around our fingers like this, and push up gently. So as you push up, you tie a little, and then you push behind to up a little, and then you tighten the grip, and then you push up a little, you tighten the grip, you push a little, tighten the grip, push a little, you tighten the grip, push a little. So at this point you can choose how tight you want it to be. Yes. And if you have an advantage of this method is that if your hair is even shorter, you can still tie a high puff with this method. And then you take it around. You don't need to tie the band. You just need to take it around like this, and then take it around like this. There you have it, your high puff band. So we are just going to add some volume like this. And there you go. Hi guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please click the like button, and then subscribe if you already haven't, because more content is on the way. Thank you.